You saw the headline and clicked to find out more, so listen carefully. What's really stopping you getting the kind of results online you see others getting? Well, if you ask me what my secret was, I'd say targeted traffic. In fact, everyone says traffic, because traffic equals customers, and customers equal sales and commission. Unfortunately though, me telling you that you need more traffic is about as helpful as a chocolate teapot, especially if you're just getting started. What you really need me to say is this: you need easy to get traffic, which is totally free, highly targeted and scalable, and then show you how to get it. So that's what I'll do in this video and on this page. And to kick things off, let's start with some numbers. How about 678 views in just over a day for 4 minutes work? That was my first attempt at this, and at that moment I didn't even know what I was doing. Imagine that, no clue, but still getting nearly 700 views. Now I'd love to tell you that we spent years figuring out and piecing together something groundbreaking, but I'd rather be honest with you. What I'm going to show you isn't groundbreaking. It didn't take years, months, or even weeks. In fact, the whole thing was a lucky accident which took minutes and happened like this. John messaged me with some code for another project and told me that if I added an API key and a page URL to the code and then pasted the whole thing into my search bar, it would auto-create a scroll video short in seconds right there in my browser for free. Which I did, and sure enough, out popped the finished video, ready to use. No recording, no video editors, nothing, which was impressive all by itself. But the real eye-opener is what happened when I uploaded the video to YouTube with a couple of quick, cost-free tweaks. That video literally took off with no help from me, my audience, or my subscribers. Why? Because YouTube Shorts started driving the traffic from the moment I uploaded the video. In fact, YouTube accounts for nearly 90% of all views. That video got almost 200 views in the first 2 hours and nearly 700 views in a single day. I was so surprised by this, I even made a couple of posts about it in my Facebook group. Imagine that, hundreds and hundreds of views straight off of the bat with virtually no work, all driven by the platform, and I didn't even make the video. Now, what if I uploaded the same video to another platform like Instagram or TikTok? Would that work? The answer is yes, it does. I uploaded the same video to TikTok and landed another 118 views in minutes, with 88.5% driven by TikTok. So, is all of this based on just one video? Of course not. One video could be a fluke or a glitch. Doing it over and over again and getting huge numbers of views with nearly every video. That's what really counts, and that's what 10-second scroll traffic is based on. So let me ask you, can you see the potential in this simple method? And if you can, do you want to use it? Do you want YouTube to send you hundreds and hundreds of views? Do you want the code that auto-creates videos in your browser in seconds without you lifting a finger? Do you want me to show you step by step how to do what I'm doing, including the simple little cost-free tweaks I use? Do you want me to show you how to turn all those views into clicks? Well, why wouldn't you? Like I said at the beginning of this video, it's not just about traffic. It's about fast, easy to get traffic, which doesn't cost a thing. And better still, traffic you don't have to work to get. What could be easier? A piece of code pasted into your browser makes the videos, and platforms like YouTube send the views. If it sounds easy, it's because it is. And if you click the button under this video, I'll share the whole thing with you from start to finish, so you can start doing the same thing today. And before you ask, nope, there are no hidden or third-party costs. This isn't AI, and you won't need any skills. The only thing you will need, which we can't give you, is a YouTube account. So if you purchase 10-second scroll traffic, then you'll have everything you need to copy what I'm doing, and you'll be able to do it today in minutes. Let's take a look at some more examples. Imagine what you could do with hundreds of views like this. A few minutes is all it takes. You never make any videos, and YouTube sends the views. You've probably heard this is easy and no skill required before. With 10-second scroll traffic, it's a fact. I could make this video and this page longer, but that would be pointless because this is the easiest method I've used in the 15 years I've been a digital marketer. If you need more views, clicks and traffic, Click the button under this video and I'll show you how to get it today for free. Do it now and I'll show you how I'm turning those views into clicks and sales.